Hey guys, so about 4 or 5 years ago, my daughter and I put up this rope swing on a tree, and we were walking by it today and noticed it was damaged. The eye hook snapped right off. So we went down to the hardware store, bought some new hooks, and we're gonna put it on. So come with us and enjoy the show.
Come on, Dad, I'll race you.
Gotcha! All right, well, here's the side of the swing. As you can see, the ropes are decent, but the seat is missing the eye hook. So we're gonna replace that. So we're gonna take out the other old one, put 2 new ones in, because we know this one's gotta be compromised, ready to break too.
You could probably use this on a different project too. This is not gonna like, yeah.
What are these called? What do they say?
Large screw eyes.
Large screw eyes, 2-pack. These are actually a little bit more sturdy, a little more robust than the original ones, so hopefully they last another 3 or 4 years.
So this one is a little bit thicker and a little bit bigger, like circumference wise.
I don't know if you can tell or not, but we put the rope through pieces of hose to protect the branch and make the rope last longer, but the one on the right has actually slipped off, so we're going to take it down and readjust that.
But we get to have the fun task of undoing our super knot.
We made so it never come out.
So this Gorilla Tape is a really good product. It's been out here for years, and it's hardly worn. All the rains we've had, these hot summers.
It's so hard to film it.
It's good.
It got cold, put the hood on, and my dad put the bag on.
It's actually working. It's keeping the cold air out of my ears.
Little chin strap right there.
Nice. All right, so we've adjusted the hose onto the branch. Now we got to retie this all up. Flip it on. We're getting close. Taking that knot apart was a biatch.
Okay, now the real test. Got to put her on and see if it holds.
All right, the final test. Yeah, the right side's definitely lower. Let's adjust it. We have 4 chain links down here, so we can make this adjustment. All right, should be good for a few more years. Hey, so that wasn't so hard. Hope you liked that. What am I gonna say?
That wasn't really hard. That really wasn't so hard.
Oh my God, take.
So
okay,
hard.
Go ahead.
That really wasn't so hard. Please subscribe to see other cool hack and fixing videos.
Please like it.
Yeah.
Good job.
Here
you go.
Watch this.
I got my dog's stamp of approval. Another job done. No fuss.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell.